Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain how to start investing on commodity market. So in part 1 and 2 I have already explained about equity and cash market. So if you are watching part 3 first, so kindly go to part 1 and part 2. For the link I have given in the description. So you can click on the video link and you can watch part 1 and part 2. Then you can watch part 3. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, also enable the bell icon. For those who are interested to open account with angel broking applications, you can open account with angel broking applications. So I have given the link here, the same link I have given in the description also. So you can click on the link and you can open the account. For any clarification required, you can directly contact me. And one more thing, like you can see my YouTube channel here. You can click on my YouTube channel Libin EJ and you can see all the videos. For a beginners, like what are things you should know or how the market are functioning and what types of market are there and how to buy or how to sell, all those things you can see here. Like I have updated all the videos in English and Malayalam. So if you, based on your language, you can watch all the videos here. Then coming to the WhatsApp group, I have created a WhatsApp group also recently. So those who are interested to trade based on like equity market, I am updating on daily basis there. You can see the performance also, like daily basis I will be giving a call here. So you can trade on those calls. So like you can make earn money also. Here you can see like I have given on Pidlet Industries. Like a lot of calls I will be posting here. You can see the members also, people are joining here. And each day I will be giving you free calls here. And today also you can see I have given around Indigo sell, and you can see what is the current price. Indigo is was gone almost 20 points down. So here you can see what is Indigo price today. So here Indigo was, I was given on 970 sell and now it is almost 953, almost 20 point was down. So like if you are interested to join to the group, you can join. I have given the group link in the descriptions. Now let us come to the topic. Okay, now let us come to the topic. So what is MCX market? So most of the people are not aware like what is commodity market. The commodity market is divided into two parts actually. One is MCX and another one is NCDEX. So normally we go with MCX only because MCX is where you can see first thing you can see NCDEX. NCDEX is a National Commodity Derivative Exchange Limited. It's an online multi-commodity trading exchange. So this is normally like what are the like wheat or soybean, all those like commodities, like all the products will be available there. So all those products you can trade on there. If you are going with the MCX, MCX is like metals, all like crude oil, gold, silver, all those things you can trade on MCX. So that is the different actually. Normally we go with MCX, like we go with gold, silver, copper, all those things you can trade on MCX. And if you want to see the what are the products are coming under MCX or NCDX, you can just go to money control and you can find out, like here you can see what are the products are coming under NCDEX, and same way you can see what are the products are coming under MCX, like crude oil or like cotton. So all those things are coming under uh, MCX. So this is the two major part of commodity market. So normally if the people are going and trading on MCX market, and I am going to show you like what are the things we can trade there and how the lot size is, all those things I am going to explain. So let us go to angel broking applications. So once you click on angel broking applications, like you can see all your watch list, all those things you can see here. And the commodities, as I told you, like how we are going to trade. So here you can see the commodities. This is all MCX because you can see they have mentioned crude oil MCX futures. So you can buy any crude oil, you can buy gold, and main thing is here is no monthly expiry or weekly expiry. Here there is like expiry maybe sometimes monthly or sometimes after 2 or 3 months. So based on the date, you have to see the date. Okay, so the next expiry is on 19th June. It's not like month end expiry or like weekly Thursday expiry. So it will be like they will mention on date there. Each expiry date they will be mentioning there. For example, if you select crude oil or copper, you can see the copper also. Just click on copper. Here you can see like 30th June there is an expiry, and July there will be an expiry. After that August, September, October, like that you can see the expiry date. So every based on the expiry date it will expire. So till that you can hold the things. The main thing, there is no like in the equities or cash, we can see like there will be like cash sector like NSE, BSE, then options, then we can see futures. Here is only futures. So there is no other things, like there is no options or there is no cash. So here we have only futures. So it will be in lot size. So if you want to trade on crude oil, like just you have to click on here, then you can see buy or sell. You can buy and or you can do the sell also first. So there is no issues. If you are thinking like the crude oil price will go up, you can do a buy, and after once the profit is done, you can sell the crude oil. The same way, if you are thinking like if the crude oil price will fall today, so you can do one thing, you can sell first, then later you can buy once the price is coming down. So this can be applied. And once you click on buy button, and you can see the buy button here. Once you click on the buy button, you can see the lot size here. So in crude oil, like one lot is equal to 100. So if you are buying for one, it will be 100 shares. If 1 rupees up, it is 100 rupees up. And you can buy in carry forward intraday. So any options you can use. If you are doing carry forward, it will be holding for like delivery only. So you can hold till the expiry date, and you can select based on the market rate or how the rate is you required. So based on like if you are buying in market rate, it will execute in current market rate, or you can select limit. So these are the important things like in crude oil. Like crude oil means it is like a lot size, and the lot size is 100. So per if you are entering just one, it will be 100 shares. And the next thing you can see like silver also. Silver will be like two types. Okay, silver will be, there is like one is mini and one is silver. So silver mini means it is like the mini of normal silver. So the normal silver is like the lot size will be 30. If you are buying one silver, it will be 30 shares. So if you are going with mini, see, mini will be 5. Okay, if you are buying one share, it will be only 5. So if 1 rupee is up, it will be 5 rupees. So like that, if 1 point is up, it will be 5 points up. So you have to be very careful when you are trading with futures or like commodities. It is not like equity shares. If you are entering 50, so it will be like 50 into the 5. So it will be huge quantities will come. So whenever you are entering, you have to enter one quantity. Like if you are going with crude oil, it will be one quantity means 100 shares. So that you have to keep in mind. So instead of entering 100, you have to enter only one. So that one will be 100 shares. Same way we have gold also. Gold also you can see gold also will be there. Mini and mega also will be there. So like mini means like it will be like 10 shares. If you are buying one lot of gold mini, it will be 10 shares. So 1 rupees up means like 1 point up means it will be 10 rupees. So if you are going with mega, gold mega, you can see here this is a gold mega. If you are going with one lot, it will be like 100 shares. So you have to be careful with that when you are trading. Like, so whenever you are trading, you have to see the lot size first before entering into market. First thing, you have to click on buy or sell button, and you have to see the what is the lot size. Here you can see one lot is equal to 100 shares. So that you have to be very careful whenever you are trading. You have to be very careful. Okay, how much lot I am going to take. So based on that risk only you have to manage, because here the prices are very up, like almost 50,000, 46,000 plus. So the movement will be little bit fast compared to equity market. So you have to keep the stop loss also based on that. So the risk level will be more. So you have to see the okay how if you are going with gold, better if you are a beginner, go with gold mini. So because you have only 10 shares there. If it is like 100 rupees also, it is maximum 1000 rupees only, it will be loss or profit. So that much risk only as a beginner you have to start. So these are the major things. And if you see this, normally we trade only on MCX market, because NCDX and all normally people won't use actually, because that is seasonal product and all will be coming there. So you can use mainly on MCX. So these are the important idea about commodity market. I think this topic is very clear, and if you need any clarifications or anything required, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number, or you can comment here only. I'll be giving all those things in the descriptions, like WhatsApp group details and account opening details. All those things I'll be giving in the description. So you can go to my description and you can join, or you can give the comments. All those things you can do. So any doubt or any clarification required, you can directly contact me, and you can watch all my videos. You can directly go there and you can watch all my videos also. Oh, also kindly share my channel to your friends. Also subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon for any videos. If I am uploading, you will be getting the notification. So kindly subscribe. Also enable the bell icon. Thank you for watching.